I would like to thank the VIXEL management, especially to Jen Allen, Arojado retired VP for Security, and full support of Receive Training School RTS. This presentation is geared to showcase the hardship, sacrifices, and dedication of the training committee, participants, and instructors during the training.
Ano natutunan mo dito sa ating training?
Sa training po dito sa BISOC po namin ngayon, sir, marami po natutunan. Natutunan ko rin po makisama sa mga tao sa iba't ibang store. Gaya po nung kung paano makikisalamuha sa kanila sa iba't ibang uri ng ugali. Tapos kung paano mag-handle ng mga kasamahan. Kasi ako yung ginawa nilang presidente. Yan po, sir.
Ano bang natutunan mo dito sa ating training, Pogi?
Ang natutunan ko dito, sir, marami. Yung mga unang araw pa lang, yung tamang pag-CPR, yung patay ng mga apoy sa fire drill, tapos yung tamang pag may bali, tamang pagbenda, pagbuhat, tapos yung about sa mga security plan na mas mapapaganda natin ang pag-execute sa security pag may plano. Yun, sir. Tapos sa firing, sir.
Firing, okay.
Salamat.
Ano ba natutunan mo sa ating training? Dali na. Para matapos na. Kaya. Wag na. Dito na. Ayan. Ano ba natutunan mo sa ating training? Nabisok. Dali na. Ay, sinabihan ka ni Juan? Nagawa ka ng speech mo?
Ikaw top ko, sir, Clark?
Hindi ko alam.
Sige, mag-sit na lang.
Ikaw mangi top 1.
Mag-sit na lang ako.
Mag-kuhan ka, mag-prepare ka.
Bisita ako, magagawa ako
Sa wakas, dumating na kami sa Ariscom. Namimiss ko ang lugar na to. Mga lods. Shout out pala sa Kislap. POTC Class 35.
1 hour later.
Please rise for the invocation.
Let us close our eyes, bow our heads, and feel the presence of the Lord. Heavenly Father, may the thankful voices of your children ask for your needs as we gather today, full of faith, joy, hope, and your grace. All this we pray in the glorious name of Jesus, our Lord. Amen.
Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem. Good morning. My task for this morning is to train Scout Ranger course. Scout Ranger course will be part as the top one of the class. Basic airborne course, infantry officer basic and advanced courses, military intelligence officer course, global peace and operations initiative peacekeeping operations, instructor course in none other than Brigadier General Samuel B. Manzano, Philippine Army.
Maraming salamat, Major Tumalero, sa introduction. Bago simulan ang aming mensahe, gusto kong batiin ang dati kong brigade commander, si Brigadier General Alan Arojado, Vice Official Department of Railway Corporation. So, para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, magkasama po kami ni General Arojado sa Sulu. Isa po ako sa mga battalion commanders niya, siya ay brigade commander. So that was 2015 until 2016. 2016 na kayo. So marami akong natutunan kay General Arojado as a seasoned combat officer. So bago ko basahin ang prepare na speech, gusto ko yung batiin kung makasama ni Sir, si Mr. Mungkaw, si Luzon Area Manager, Mr. George Mangkaw, Mr. Raymond Padillo, Intelligence Officer, Mr. Mark Rodriguez, the training officer, Mr. Rio Robiso, and Mr. Villamor Luis, the precious manager. Sa mga estudyante ng Basic Security Officer Course, Class 23, at CCTV Operations Specialist Course Class 03-2024. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Bago po ako pumasok sa servisyo, para malaman ninyo, ang una kong trabaho ay security guard. Minsan, napakahirap maghanap ng trabaho after college. Ako, license na rin ako. License criminologist ako. Pero, sabi ko sa inyo na after na makuha ko yung license ko, napakahirap magkaroon ng trabaho. So, ang unang employment ko talaga after college, as a crew guard. Crew guard ako for one night. The following day, nag-report ako sa boss namin. Sabi niya, mamayang gabi, hindi ka na crew guard, inspector ka na. Bilis na promotion. Inspector ka na, C2A na nakapost lahat yung mga gwardiya. So, kung tutusin, hindi na bago sa akin yung trabaho natin. Yung trabaho niyo. Kasi naranasan ko. So, naging inspector ako the following day. Sa Baguio ito, sa Baguio City. So, ang mga kliyente namin, mga hotels, mga bars, kaya gabi-gabi rin ako natin. Sir, okay na sir, yung table ko sir, nandun sa sulok. So, yun yung mga hawak na agency namin nun, yung mga business establishments sa Baguio. Pero karamihan ng mga nightlife establishments. So, doon ko unang naranasan yung buhay ng isang gwardiya, buhay ng isang officer as inspector. So, napakahirap din. Diruin mo, you are responsible kung merong gwardiya na nakapost o wala. So, kapag wala, titignan mo ngayon yung kung sino available to replace the guard. Diba? At kawawa rin yung gwardiya kapag wala siyang napalitan, tama?
Yes, sir.
Kasi karamihan din sa mga client namin, 10 oras yung kontrata. So just imagine kung wala kapalitan yung 10 oras, ibig sabihin ko sa 10 oras. So yun yung exposure ko sa pagiging security guard. Ang pangalawa, dahil noong 1992, nagpa-process din kami ng commissionship sa AFP. But during that time, mayroong election ban. Yun yung election nung ni President Ramos, 1992. Pero kung may pinangalan na sa iyo. So may election ban, so in short, hindi nagtuloy yung application namin for commission. Pero nandito na ako sa Manila. So kailangan ko mag-survive. So again, naghahanap ako ng trabaho. At ang binagsakan ko din trabaho is security guard. This time, parang si James Bond ako ngayon. Dahil civilian guard sa mall. Diba? Kaya pag pumapasok ako sa mall, pagtingin ko pa lang sa mga civilian guard, kilala ko na eh. Alam ko na yung kilos eh. Burn out na lang agad. Medyo mahigpit din noon ang patakaran ng agency. Kasi once na wala kang duty for 1 month, suspended ka rin ng 1 month. So, babalik ko ulit after 1 month. Ngayon, pag may huli ka na, hindi diretso ka na ngayon. So, yun ang karanasan ko sa trabaho ng pagiging security guard. And luckily, 1993, nakapasok ko dito sa our process. So today, as you gather here to undergo the basic security officer course, let me start by reminding each participant on the vital importance of being attentive to the series of lectures you will go through. As security officers, you need to be vigilant and up to date to the fast-paced and ever-changing security environment. Thus, there is a need for robust and continuous security education and training amongst our security managers and personnel. So, security operations serve as the bedrock upon which our safety and stability rest, whether you are in the military, police, or private companies. It encompasses a wide array of strategies, technologies, and protocols designed to safeguard individuals, organizations, even nations from all types of threats. So, isa rin sa mga natutunan ko nung siguro yung mga criminology students dito, mayroon tayong subject na industrial security. Ano ba? Existing pa ba yung subject na yun? Meron pa. So, napagalaman natin na maraming pamamaraan para masecure isang establishment. But then again, the most important is yung tawag sa human security. O yung guard. Yung guard ang pinaka-importante pa rin. Yung tao. Kasi kahit meron kang CCTV, meron kang mga advanced technologies, but still, kailangan mo ang intervention ng isang guardia. Diba? So whether it's protecting sensitive information from cyber attacks, ensuring the physical safety, so sa ngayon naging complicated yung word security dahil hindi lang yung physical establishment yung ating pinagagaan but we are also securing yung mga data or information of the company. Kaya meron tayong cyber security na pinatawag. For thwarting acts of terrorism, marami tayong concern. So the role of security operations cannot be overstated. Thus, constant education and training is a must. So yun po ang rason kung bakit nandito kayo ngayon. Dahil ang sabi ni General Roado kanina, kasi ano ba yun sila? So sabi niya, you are candidates for promotion, kaya nandito kayo. So, tama-tama lang, kaya talaga yung continuing education para sa inyo. So we must remain ever vigilant, anticipating and adapting to emerging threats before dematerializing the crisis. In today's dynamic environment, complacency is not an option. We must be proactive, not reactive, in our approach to security. We must also remember that as technology advances and tactics evolve, so too with our security procedures, most especially our security personnel. What worked yesterday may not suffice tomorrow. Therefore, a commitment to ongoing education, training, and innovation is paramount. By staying abreast of the latest development in security trends and best practices, we empower ourselves to stay one step ahead of those who seek to do harm. Moreover, effective security operations require collaboration and coordination across sectors and disciplines. No single entity can tackle today's complex security challenges alone. So it takes a collective effort involving government agencies, law enforcement, private industry, and the public to build a resilient security infrastructure capable of withstanding diverse threats. As we can see the current trend, various agencies and organizations do interagency collaborative trainings gaya ng ginagawa natin. Because of this, nandito kayo for your training. So either side by side or through subject matter experts, exchange from outside one's organization. Beyond its practical considerations, the importance of vigilant security operations to include techniques, tactics, and procedures extends to all members of the security agency, including its different stakeholders or customers. Efficient security provides the foundation on which trust, freedom, and prosperity live. It enables individuals to pursue their dreams, businesses to innovate and grow, and communities to flourish in peace. With this, we must focus ourselves to the upcoming training as we adapt to the challenges of learning how to deal with ever-changing threats to security. Let us work together across borders and boundaries to build a safer, more secure world for generations to come by learning everything we must learn as security officers. In closing, let me once again quote, this time from the 87th Governor of Connecticut, USA, Mary Caroline Bell, and I quote, "At the end of the day, the goals are simple, safety and security." Muli, magandang umaga sa ating lahat, and welcome to Camp Rego de Dios.
Vixar Development Corporation, Brigadier General Alan Arrojaso.
Exchange. First and foremost tonight, to great acknowledge our host, represented by Louis Dan, the Deputy Commander of Army Reserve Command, in the person of General Samuel Masano. As a told earlier, he was one of my fighting chiefs, infantry battalion or Scout Ranger battalion of my brigade, combating the Abu Sayyaf group way back 2016 to 2017, yung Turok Philippines. Laki naman, 2014 to 2016, as a task group solo commander and 5 operas brigade commander. During those times, wala ang Army unit doon sa Cebu. It was manned by the Philippine Marines. Kasi yung Army was reassigned and called out Sulu nung nag-stabilize na nung batalyon commander ako, from 2002 hanggang 2005, na-pull out ang army sa 2007 para ma-reinforce doon sa crisis sa Lanao del Norte. Nag-atake na yung Auswagan. Kung matandaan nyo, 2007 yung buwan, nag-start dumihin ng problem doon. So, from 2007 to 2014, hawak ang Sulu province ng Philippine Marines. Konting victims hanggang naging maraming biktima sa kidnapping. So, nung nakita ng headquarters na yung kaya ng Marines at dumadami, so request agad ang army na bumalik po. At laki na, nasa na 2002 hanggang 2005, bumalik ako 2014 as brigade commander at the same time, the highest military commander as Joint Task Group Sulu commander. So, pag-take over namin, kasagsagan mo Vietnam, ng German, Swedish, mga foreigners, mga mayor, mga teacher, 27 Vietnam victims, all in all. Then after tour of duty sa akin, na-reduce na from 27 to 6 na lang. So nakuha natin, na-rescue natin ang dalawang Coast Guard. So isa sa mga accomplishment yun. Yung dalawang Coast Guard na nakidnap, yung magpabayad na sana ng ransom ng Philippine Coast Guard. Pero sinabihan namin na kaya yan, tayo ang enforcement, tapos magpabayad na tayo sa Masaya. So, sa masigasig na operation namin sa ground, sa scout ranger, na-rescue natin ang dalawang Philippine Coast Guard. So, guys, salamat kayo na doon yung mga scout ranger is more than infantry. So, sila yung save and destroy sa kalaban. So, buti lang, hindi na reklamo sa amin. Kasi yun na ang trabaho talaga ng ranger. Dati talaga at neutralize. So with that, transfer ako, then nakita kami. Ngayon kami nakita ulit sa amin. So I'm very happy. Pati si Colonel Monjarde, at of course si General Manuel. Yung mga junior namin yan. Si General Manuel, bago ka batalyon commander sa batalyon ko, 35th Infantry Battalion. So, isa siya na asahin ng disiplina ng batalyon commander, pero doon siya nasahin sa Lanao Norte. So, doon siya sa Kapatagan nun. So, sa may talong na pustahin o Lanao Norte. So, doon siya na tour duty sa batalyon commander ng batalyon ko, yung 35th Infantry Battalion. Ano po sa continue, I'd like to acknowledge sa training, mobile training team. Si, of course, yung panuna, yung mga staff mo. Si Colonel A. Balisog, dito, of course, si G7, si Major Rolling. Tayo nakapasilitate na matuloy yung training natin dito. So, thank you. We have sa corporate na estudyante na media. As I say, for the information sa lahat, this is class 23. And for the past classes na dito sa Luzon, lagi sila dito sa Army Resort Command and Training. So you expect Big South or Metro group of companies would like to give the best training that corporate can give through the collaboration of Army units para masubukan ninyo ano talaga ang buhay Army. Ang kanto, meron tayong sundalo na babae, meron tayong mga panito. So, in-house kayo rito and they will be trained and exposed to what an Army or service unit is doing. And mission ng Army Reserve Command is to form, to expand the reservist organization sa Army. Hindi nyo alam, meron hindi lang Army. Ito yung mga officers at enlisted personnel na nag-apply. Then, meron tayong reserve Army. Yung reservist na ang tinatawag ay weekend warriors. Kung gusto mo makasuot ng uniform, you apply for mag-service. So, pwede ka mo anda. As long as you pass the qualification, pwede ka mag-service at during calamities, you can wear your uniform undergoing required training and you can help kasi ang service is voluntarism. Wala kayong sahod. Gusto mo lang makatulong sa inyong community, sa inyong organization, so gusto nyo mag-service. Ang advantage na pwede kayo after the training, pwede kayo mag-uniforme, magaya nila, then magkagala ng apply ng coverage of vehicles sa service. So yan lang ang isa sa mga advantages sa benefits sa pay and service aside from your network. Kasi magtulungan kayo, paano kayo mag-serve sa inyong community. So, we are here as part of your career development. Sa organic, we have 150 organic security personnel from the regional security manager, the person of George and Vera, and Cebu, and Visayas. So sila yung down to the CCTV operator. Ang career entry ng Bigsan is CCTV operator. So magkaroon kayo. Pero ikumpara nyo sa mga posted guards na laki ang sahod. Sa amin, above minimum lang. But ang benefits, and of course yung secured yung sahod sa inyo. Unlike sa security, pag mag-duty ka, may sahod ka, pag wala kang duty, wala kang sahod. Pero gano'n din yan sa kuwan, regular ka, may assurance at may consistency organic personnel. After few years sa service, pwede ka maging team leader, assistant ka, security ka sa store. Then, ultimately, maging chief security in the person of Ed Lucena, handling sa clusters, veterano na ito sa Pampa, more than 50 years, o 20 na.
18 years.
Oh, 18 years. So, cluster head na siya. Yung mga small store na ako niya, tinitil siya na naman. Then, of course, si Marvin, ito, siya yung sa Alabang ka pa rin?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so yan sa mga stocking. Alabang store, nandiyan yung mga big time na mga customer sa Alabang. So, siya yung nag-handle ko. So, dapat maging professional tayo sa ating trabaho. So, to continue, yung training pa siya staff, headed by George Montao, then my staff, corporate, training yung officer and investigation nandito. Habang nag-train kayo, kami sa corporate, we will go visit, audit, inspection sa mga security sa different stores. Then, we have time, dito kami ng security awareness, how to prevent, ano yung mga kaso. Kasi ang trabaho natin is to prevent losses incurred in our respective stores. So, and then I'm thankful sa approval ng mga and staff conduct na clinic. So, I would like to present so that we can common understanding kung ano yung definition natin sa bawat terms na nandito kayo na alam natin. Nabanggit na yan sa ating speaker, what is security, or the measures, so first, present, perform. Ang gusto ko, ito yung dapat ilagay natin sa isip. Pag nandito kayo sa metro, ito dapat isipin natin. Screen. So, ito yung dapat palagi natin ilagay. Magamit nyo ito, siguro, sa inyong career as security officer. So, what is the definition na gusto ko impart ng security? When we say security, to give you a background doon sa Cebu, tinanong ko yung patanggalan doon. Anong definition ng security? Protection, compliance, property, the company. So, yung isa naman, iba-iba yung definition nila. But, for me, meron itong reference, dapat ito yung intindihin natin. Security means defense against crime, vandalism, theft, and attack by individuals or group. While safety, ito yung definition. It is the protection of life and assets against fire, devastating accidents, and natural disasters. So, kung gagawa tayo ng security protocols or measures, it is related to an individual or not individual kung gagawa ng delay. While kung safety protocols, measures, ito yung gagawin natin against calamities, against fire, and of course, yung natural disaster o mga accident. So, yan dapat ang panahon. So, sa last paragraph, ang key distinction between security and safety events is their cause, yung saan nauna. Accidental, unintentional, natural disasters, abnormal events, yan ang safety na i-concentrate natin. Kaya mayroon tayong fire drill, mayroon tayong first aid. So, mga safety issues yan to protect the life and assets. While versus of malevolent, intentional, plano, human caused events, ito yung i-address natin as security measures. So, maliwanag yan. Para tanungin tayo what is security, it is a defense against crime, vandalism, shoplifting, or attacks by individuals. So, maliwanag. So, thank you. Kung ganyan naman ninyo, isa lang ang common understanding natin sa security industry within MRCI. So, yan ang ipagpapan ninyo. Kung tanungin kayo, hindi na kayo baliktad-baliktad. So, intindihin. Lastly, I would like to present the task organizational ng ating kumpanya, which is the Victor's Pixel, which is representing Victor and Sally Gazzano, the founder of Metro Development Corporation. So, para sa information sa lahat, ito yung task organization ng ating company. Gusto siguro ito mag-one ko. So, ang Victor Pixel Development Corporation, na holding company, meron siyang subsidiaries. Ito yung Metro Group, Metro Group companies, yung market, yung lahat ng Metro stores, kung saan yan aside. Then, meron din silang subsidiary in real estate, which is the top property. So, ito yung mga condominium units, yung mga subdivision. Then, World Bank, i-banking sila, i-partnership sa mga Korea. Then, we have Pacific Malls, meron tayong tatlong Pacific Malls, sa Lucena, sa Naga, and of course sa Mandawi, Cebu. We have Benelux, yung Jewel Race. Bayan Movers, yung maghahapon, mga break. Langin Asal, affiliate ko sa mga negosyo ng mga anak. Kasama yan sa security supervision natin. And Grand Base, yung kanila for travel agency. So, ito yung mga kumpanya na under sa corporate namin. So, we have 811 security guards with 5 security agencies, private security agencies, serving Metro. Dalawa dito sa Luzon, the North Luzon area, and South Luzon, then North Cebu, and South Cebu, and North Cebu, with Samar, Leyte, and Negros. So, if ever kung saan ka dito, lalo na yung mga organic, pwede mag-assign sa ibang lugar. Right now, we are planning for 15 stores to be open for the next 3 years. So, ongoing yung Takbaluga, sa big store, and other stores sa Samar area. 80. Sa dito, meron na plano na 16. So, 16 doon dito na 14 sa Luzon. And hopefully, many professional security personnel. So with that, take your time. Dapat marami kayo matutunan. Sayang yung marami dito. Pagkakataon, and we will be proud after information kung ano yung basic security course cross-trained with CCTV operation. Kasi kung hindi kayo knowledge kayo sa CCTV, the lecture by the specialist Mark Rodriguez. So again, thank you, and mabuhay ang Metro, mabuhay ang Arisco, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Okay, dito tayo ngayon. Tama?
Sunod-sunuran to, Dring, mula sa kaliwa. Pakanan, pasulong. Cut!
Siya ng ating gobyerno na naiintindihan ng inyong kumpanya para mag-present ng ilang topics na makakatulong sa inyong training sa inyong pinagtatrabahuan. So ngayon po magkakaroon po tayo ng dalawang subject para sa hapon na ito. So I think lahat naman po sa inyo ata ay dumaan na sa ganitong training gaya po sa sabi ng inyong mga higher office. Parang ito po ay magiging refresher course na lamang po. So yung dalawang topics po natin for this afternoon po, first po is yung basic life support o yung pagbibigay ng CPR sa mga taong nakataka sa puso. At pangalawa naman po yung firefighting. So ngayon po, lagyan natin yung theoretical side. Pulmonary resuscitation, yung nagbibigay o nagtataas ng tsansa para isang inataking tao ay hindi tumitipok ang puso para tumas yung tsansa niya ng survive. Okay po? And if properly instructed, almost anyone can learn and perform CPR. Pwede rin ganyan, tas yung ulo, o ganyan. Okay? O wala kang naramdaman na pulso at saka paghinga. Anong sir? Thank you. Si sir po sa dulo. Okay? Meron naman kayo lahat yun. Wala po itong pinipiling gender ha. Kung babae po yung pasyente, o kung mahihiya yung mga kalalakihan dahil po. Dugo ang pasyente. Relax na si Maria, pero tama yung ano niya. Tama yung mababaw. Dali mo niyo pa.
So yan. Kaya sabi ko rin na control, din ang control. Ang apoy ay, pag-control ay nakakatulong. Ano po? Pero pag ang control, o sumubra na, yun ay nakakapinsala na. No? Yan, nakita nyo kanina sa video. Conduction, convection, at radiation. So conduction, pag direct transfer heat, pag yung nasusunod mismo, dumikit dun sa fuel. Pag nasusunod mismo, dumikit sa fuel, nasunod na rin siya. Then yung convection, pag pataas. Kahit na hindi niya pa nadidikitan, di ba? Nasunod to. Kahit na hindi siya dumidikit sa isa, may nasunod na rin. Kasi sa init, inabot na yung ignition point ng kisame. Diba? Pag ganoon din sa radiation. So halimbawa, nasunod to. Ang yung gilid na yun ay maraming kahoy. Sa sobrang init nito, inabot na yung ignition point niya. Lumiyag na rin. Kahit hindi pa siya natatouch ng apoy. Ayan, direct transfer of heat. Upward movement. Through heat wave. So yun, sabi sa inyo, tatlo yung bumubuo ng apoy po. Heat, fuel, at oxygen. So pag nagkaroon ng apoy, ano naman ang gagawin natin? Yun, extinguish. Or magkatanggal tayo ng kahit isa doon. Pag nagtanggal tayo ng isa doon sa tatlong yun, heat, fuel, at oxygen, wala nang apoy. So ano yung mga technique natin? Method of fire extinguishment. Number 1 ay cooling. So pag nag-cooling tayo, ang tinatanggal natin, heat. Nare-reduce yung temperature.
Yung pressure ng hose, malakas talaga. Pag silikad yung pressure sa truck, pwede ka magpupa. Ang trabaho po ni backup.
Ito, naka-off. Tapos malakas ang pressure, buga mo dito, pwede nyo. Dapat dahan-dahan lang ang ano. Dahan-dahan ang buga.
Pero pwede rin natin itong gamitin. Diba, tinuro naman sa inyo yung triangle of fire. Pwede natin itong gamitin para matanggal natin yung oxygen sa apoy. Kalibot na lang natin. Ang sunod naman ay ang string part. Gusto mo maligo. Ito naman po, ginagamit natin talaga ito para makakuha tayo ng oxygen, okay, tsaka maprotect din yung sarili natin. Ganun po.
Of Filipino soldiers in this era. This is not to malign any individual, private organizations or government, institutions, but to share one's experience during his stint in the military duty.
Ray-Ban, muntik nang mag 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
2,
ang iba hindi nag-proper.
3.
Oh. Ha, ha. Okay, ikaw. Ikaw.
Hindi ka na magkintulay.
Ha, ha.
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan? Sa unahan. Walang paa. Nagja-jogging. Ha, ha. He, he. Wala. Natandog.
So, ano naman yung preliminary investigation? So, ito yung gawa ng fiscal. Meron itong definition sa rules.
Ay, ikaw tayo sa mga subject, yung mga dito. Pero, ating natin sa store, kinakabahan tayo naman. Parang pag may muna yung subject ka, yung gagawin ko. Mamaya, 1-6 ako, diba? Yung ginagawa natin eh. Gagawin natin, matanong tayo sa supervisor. Sir, ano natin gagawin?
Sa UCC, yung basic function and troubleshooting. Mabilis lang naman to. Pinaturo ko lang sa inyo ngayon kung ano yung mga bagong technology ni Metro, and then paano siya paganahin at paano sirain.
Yun lang.
And then, ito yung bagong CCTV Metro ngayon, ICQ. Okay? So, pag once na pwede mo sa zone, Pwede nyo siya zoom out. Okay, depende. Okay, yan tawag na ako action.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, yan ang president namin.
Ng volunteer methods, no? As instructor, firefighter, water search and rescue, urban search and rescue, collapse with instructor.
Sir ba? 180 kilo.
Kaya ba ito lang sa MOA? Ha? Ito lang sa MOA? Ito ba lang sa MOA?
Ay, ano dyan sa swamp?
Hindi lulubog yan? Oo. Sabi ko nga, piliin yung maliit eh.
Kaya na yun.
DM! Taas pa!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Depending naman, depending. Ready, count. 1, 2. Then also, I'm the one project manager. Ano na kayo? Yan na. Thank you. Dapat siya magkakanak din siya ng coordination meeting dun sa mga tao niya. Para at least yung hindi mo pa sinusundan yung harapan mo. So yun yung maging kuha natin ko. Ano yung step nung nasa pinakaharapan? Kung left siya, di left ang gawin mo. So yung nasa likod, di ba? Para sunod-sunod ang nasa dulo, ang susundan niya yung nasa harapan niya. So magkasabay-sabay kayo. Yun lang naman ang kuha dyan eh. Para at least sabay-sabay tayo. And then, dito na kayo.
namin mga lods, gikaling ang jogging.
Okay, balik lang. Wala sakit. Rap. Okay, pull down exercise. Lingering exercise. Front, side, tapos back. Ang bilang 1 to 8, 8 to 1. Ha? Ready? Count. 1, 2, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ano pala magiging cameraman?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ready, and blow! Tara sa likod, drop.
With agency that is ito front side dito sa rear side naka-lever siya. So i-register. Ayaw mag-i-issue. Mamaya bibigyan kayo. Albert, paki-ready mga bala nila. Tapos habang nagbibigay ako ng instruction dito, nakikinig na kayo. Para pag kayong sasalang, alam na ninyo. Tapos yung next 6, mag-ready na rin yung next 6 para kayo, check your grip, check your stand, pagtaas ng barrel, yung aiming ninyo, sight alignment, sight picture, and then breathing control, natural respiratory pause, hold your breath, and then trigger control, squeeze it slowly, accuracy tayo, hindi pa bilisan ha, accuracy tayo, yung patamaan sa gitna, center of mass tayo, okay? Okay, ready? Shooter, are you ready? Up! Fire when ready? Ready. Fire when ready nga eh. Ang fire when ready, iputok na ninyo. Kaya ko pinapa-open yung hammer para mapil ninyo yung trigger pull. Kalabitin ninyo para mapil ninyo yung trigger pull. Masyadong wide yung stance mo. Yun, ano lang.
Clear pa ganito kaliwanag sa slide mo. Yung ano yung puti.
Get your stance. Ready, up! Trigger control. Accuracy tayo. Gamitin ng slack. Fire when ready. Hammer down. Okay, back ready.
May naka-alpha? May naka-alpha oh, second to the last. Oh, sige. Ah, yung last? Alpha yan yun. Oh, yun oh, wala. Okay, putok ni ano ni Clark. Ito, saka yan doon sa dulo. Ano ba? Yung papel nyo, lagyan nyo ng pangalan ha.
Front side, left side. Aiming point. Sight picture. Squeeze it slowly. Fire when ready.
May bulan yan, wala pa. Ah, wala pa no.
Check your grip. Mali na naman yung grip ninyo. Check your grip.
Ilang putok pa? Isa pa no?
Check your grip. Check your stance. Ready. Up. Forward ready.
Alpha. Alpha. Sin
Okay, forward ready. Sobra pangit. Makadapangan.
Mga pinasisingit. Wala na ba? Last na.
Dalawa siya.
Dalawa na lang.
Pero right-handed.
Tatlo na lang ka, sir.
Hindi. Sali.
Dalawa na lang.
Ay, dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na sila.
Squeeze it slowly. Fire when ready.
Baba lang.
Remove magazine.
Namitin ka, huwag ka. Huwag ka manat ko pa.
Dry firing pa yan? Wala pang bala?
Ay, ito pa.
Wala pa.
Fire when ready.
Wala pa yung bala.
Fire when ready. Lock.
Hindi ko na.
Ready up. Side alignment. Side alignment. Side picture. Hold your breathing. Squeeze it slowly. Squeeze it slowly. 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 Fire when ready. Squeeze it slowly. Slowly.
Itaas mo kunti, Irish.
Slowly.
Wala, hindi naman nakita yan.
Ngawit na kami kakano. Dapat nauna na lang ako kanina para pagpahinga. Magandang tama sa pagkain si ano. Kaso lumayo. Anong meron sa dulo?
Wala pa rin si Iris?
Meron na, sir.
Align. Okay, ready. Ready. Check your grip. Check your grip. Sight. Sight alignment. Check your sight alignment. Squeeze slowly. Fire when ready. Ay, grabe alpha dito bila oh. Ha? Maintain.
Pwede.
Magazine.
Dry shooting pati.
Kahit February pa lang.
Okay, issue magazine.
Siklab Diwa.
Okay, load and lock. Check your grip. Check your grip. Squeeze it slowly. Fire when you're ready.
Sintunad. Manang-mana sa'yo, Sir George.
Nasa iyo pala yung Top Gun George eh. Kaya pala eh.
Kunin nyo, kuhan nyo. Target.
Will be very helpful sa inyo when you're in. I hope. Sabayan na po. Na.
Welcome to the closing ceremonies of our Basic Security Officer Course Class 23, CCTV Operations Specialist Class 03-24. Please rise for our invocation. Eduardo Monharden, sir, GEC Infantry Philippine Army. May I honor to present to you the 20 strong bodies of Basic Security Officer cross-trained with System Operations Specialist 0304. May I recommend to close.
We will call Mr. George Mangao, Security Operations Manager for Luzon, Dixon Development Corporation.
By the power vested upon me by Metro Retail Stores Group Incorporated as the Security Operations Manager for Luzon and representing our Vice President for Security, General R. Arojado, I now pronounce you as graduates.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, we will be giving the certificates. We will call on our guest speaker, Colonel Eduardo Monharden, sir, to be assisted by Sir George Mangao, Security Operations Manager. Certificate of participation is presented to Irish Regaspi for having attended the basic experience of 23-24 System of Specialist 03 to 24 held on February 19 to 23 at Army Reserve Command, Cambrejo, Digos, Tanzania. Signed by VP for Corporate Security, General Alan Arojado. Elmer and Suli. Clark Lois Duval. Christian Mamigo. Lexan Marvin. James Ferber. Fred C. Antigo. Richard Lardizabal. Edmond Raton. Rodmar Badillo. John Marfo Lisol. Maria Angeline Dea Asamas. Maylene Oquindo. Jimmy Sosa. Vanessa de la Cruz. Julai Facundo. Rex Beltran. Samir Nama. Jomel Penales. And Amelia Tado. At this point, we will be given the special awards given to exemplary students. Certificate of recognition is given for her leadership. Leadership award is given to Miss Irish Legaspi. Signed by VP for Corporate Security, General Alan Alvarado. Let's give her a big hand. Next award is given to the number 1 in marksmanship. That is called Top Gun for the class. Certificate of recognition is given to J. Ross Carter. Top Gun. Next, we will be awarding the top 3 students. Top 3 goes to Clark Lois Duran. Top 2. Elmer Sully. And for the top 1, top of the class, Miss Irish Legaspi. From Metro Alabama. Thank you, sir, Colonel Eduardo Mangarin and Sir George Mangao. To introduce our guest of honor and speaker, we call on Major Ronnie Villanueva.
I would like to introduce our guest of honor and speaker, our Chief of Staff, Reserve Command Philippine Army, Colonel Eduardo M. Mangarin, Infantry GSA Philippine Army.
First of all, I would like to greet dito sa harapan. We have
Mr. Mark Ray Rodriguez. Hindi kasi talaga yung posisyon. Mr. George Macau. President si Sir Armando. So ikaw yung vice? Hindi. We are also in our deputy December. My question personal from DPS. We have Major Kidakan. Personal yung MC. Ang pangalan mo. Ed. Marvin. Student ng Basic Security Officers Course class 23 class 24 cross-trained with CCTV Operations Specialist class 03 class 23 o 24? 24. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Kumusta na kayo? Masaya ka kayo dito sa purpose namin? Anyway, no? Supposedly, ako sana yung open kasi dapat close yung general natin. Parang kami busy. Hindi magkatugma ang schedule. Maraming ginagawa. Kaya ako ngayon mag-close. But, on behalf of our Commander Major General Manuel, we extend congratulations sa inyo for having itong 5 days. 5 days training yun ng Basic Officers Course. As what we have talked with your training director na tayo, Security Manager, kung ano ang purpose o ano yung reason bakit kayo nandito, ang sinabi ko sa akin. Akala ko kasi muna ng impression ko yung bagong recruit kayo ng maging security guard. Hindi pala. Mababangis na pala kayo. May pinanghawakan na pala kayo ng posisyon. Tama ba? Yes. Tama? Yes, sir. Pero ang ano nga niya is this will be part of your later on if you will be applying for promotion or elevation from your current position to the next level. Baka tayo na yung mga presidente na mapapalikan niya na si Sir George. Anyway, and natanong mo rin kung isang lugar lang tayo pero sabi you came from the different places dito sa Luzon lang, Luzon place. May Bicol. Saan kayo sa Bicol na work doon? Ang company tao? Natin kasi doon ako nag-backbone sa Bicol for 5 years. Dito kami sa Naka. So, sa Kalbay area tayo na maraming mga mababay ko tao doon sa mga kapag-kapag doon sa lugar rin ng tayo. May Bicol, may other area dito sa NCR. Meron ba dito? NCR. Yung farther north, meron? Locos, Kasinan, Quezon, Pampanga. So, yun no, kaya kami ko, iba pala yung naisip ko na i-deliver na speech sa kanto ng mga date na bagong recruit. So, first, I would like to congratulate you for having the 5 days training. May cross-trained from CCTV specialist. And I hope na itong na-undergo nyo would not be sayang. And I'm looking forward na as you go on with your kinakarin nyo na be a security officer, ma-elevate, ma-abot kayo kung ano yung abisulyo sa buhay. Yun lang yung purpose natin. Maliban doon sa pay grade, Isa rin yun, di ba? Bakit ka mo pa-promote? Siyempre, tumas yung asawa natin. Sino may asawa? Lahat na? Yung mga binata ko pala. Para may panggastos kayo, mga binata, pareha sa akin. Kasi marami ang asawa ko. May panggastos para pang-baby. And then, alam niyo kasi, kung makita niyo, sa amin, sa resort ko naman, we handle the service. We handle the service. And I've been a group commander in Bukidnon, and I have a reservist also. Kagaya sa inyo, security officer sa mall, Robinson, sa Bukidnon. And I just hope, sino sa inyo ang reservist? I-recruit, signify kayo ng reservist data, hindi na kayo makaulit dito pag hindi kayo ng reservist. I-arrange na rin ng reservist data. Kasi alam nyo, it would be easier for both of us, we as administrator ng reservist. Kayo, naka-incline naman kayo as security officer. Meron din kayong issue of firearms. Napakalaking, kumbaga, on our part, ma-train namin kayo further yung basic military skills. Basic military skills ko kung mag-doon. Lalo na kung sino may ROTC graduate. Madali, signify nyo na. Approve ka agad yan. Maliban lang doon sa walang hindi ako kayo sigurado, so you will be undergoing basic military training. Para bakit namin ini-encourage, kagaya nire-report namin actually doon sa area yung mga security guard, security agency. Kasi train na kayo ng sir. Kaysa mag-train mag-recruit pa kami na walang at least kahit pa paano marunong kayo rin, may magaling pa mga sa dito. Mas magaling pa sa amin. Kasi in the future, if ever there will be national emergency, i-orchestrate natin lahat yan. Kasi kagaya sa inyo, kung hindi kayo part ng resort force, so for us, sa regular sa amin, sa ang process, so unahin namin yung mga member ng resort force na i-consolidate, utilize gamitin pagdating ng national emergency. Kaya itong nalalaman nyo ngayon, malaking bagay ito in the future kung you will be part ng reserve force. So sana pagbalik nyo, mag-join kayo ha? Yes, sir. Gagawin ko yung certificate malaking kasi lalo na yung siguro naman may mga college graduate sa inyo dito. If you intend to join the reserve force, you will be given for a minimum second lieutenant or first lieutenant, depende doon sa kurso na natapos mo. Ikaw Brett, ikaw mong number 1, anong course mo? Criminology, 4 years ito ngayon. Second lieutenant, first? Second lieutenant. First lieutenant. Ano yan, no? We need young officers to handle the reserve force. Then, nire-report talaga kami ngayon. Kaya, i-relate ko rin doon sa isang security officer namin, officer doon sa doon. So, company commander namin doon sa so, handle niya yung reservist doon. So, ang coordination na bali, tulungan, everything. At saka kami, nakalibre, pasok-pasok na doon. May access. Connection. Maliban sa connection nila. Wala namang magtutulungan later on in the future kung magkakaroon tayo ng national emergency. It is a mandate sa atin kasi all Filipinos should defend our country. Mandate and defend. Kaya, in-encourage namin yung kagaya sa inyo. Now you have completed this training, basic security officers course, course to CCTV. In-encourage ko lang din kayo na perform your functions and duties as security officer. What you have learned here, because hope you apply them as you go back to your respective area. And you are already leader na kayo in your own capacity. Siguro yung iba sa inyo nag-handle buong mall, something gano'n. Meron gano'n. So, yung natutunan nyo ngayon would be an added knowledge as you perform your duties pagpalit nyo doon. And I would just like to i-perform nyo lang. Do what you kung ano yung natutunan nyo, apply to your pagdating nyo doon. And be part na ma-maintain natin yung kaayusan ng ating sa area nyo. Basically sa area nyo. Para on our part as member of the forces, we would be doing yung mas greater security concerns sa ating bayan. And again, congratulations to everyone. May advance space pa ito. Dinodrawing pa. Hindi pa maging advance na. Papalitan ka na talaga. Delikado ka dyan. I-drawing mo lang muna. I just hope na with our humble camp, pasensyahan nyo lang kasi ito lang yung kaya namin. Medyo kulang sa tubig yata. Nakakaligo ba kayo? O nag-dive lang kayo? So, pasensyahan nyo lang. We are trying to improve what we have now. We're doing our best para improve siya. And for kaya sa inyo or other student coming here will be undergoing the training in a very comfortable way. Hindi yung magsiksikan, maayos para conducive for learning sa namin. So again, pakikonvey na ng thanks namin kayo sa Alvado na regards na lang from 30 people natin sa and let's continue kung ano yung mga nasimulan nyo na be a part ng community na tumutulong, hindi yung naging pasaway. Kasi sabi nga nila na ito kasi ang pambibig naman dito sa Resort Coast na maging patriotic tayo sa atin. Kasi ito ang dinidevelop namin yung Reserve Force. Kasi ang isang country naman, pag wala ng territory, walang tao, hindi tayo tao sa country. So sino man ang magdidepensa ng itong bayan na ito, hindi tayo. Kaya in-encourage talaga namin tulong-tulong talaga. Malapit na. Malapit na yung China dyan sa amin. Kaya kailangan talaga totoo lang. Dahil need of people na kaya sa inyo. Para kayo yung una na ang sulog doon. Pangasinan? Kasi Pangasinan?
Angeles na siya.
Angeles? Ayun, nakaharap yan sa Miss Philippines. Kami sa ito. So again, congratulations to everyone and thank you for dito yung kinalaman itong training. Please, dumanami na yung kakilala namin. Kung ikilala niyo pa kami, parang araw. And sana tuloy-tuloy pa yung mga activity ng mga ganito. We're very much welcome. Again, thank you and congratulations.
of appreciation for Mr. Kubo. To be presented by our operations manager, Sir George.
Alam nyo lang kasi yung ang process, hindi ka nung kaya mas mayaman yung video.
For the final remarks, we will call on our security operations manager for the service.
To our guest of honor and speaker, who obviously described the standard of an army officer, and the gentleman who is handsome as nothing looks today, Colonel Eduardo M. Martin, Infantry PSC, Philippine Army. Good morning, sir. To Major Villaluna, sir. Major Sidakan, sir. Colonel Sergeant Cabillas, and also the Philippine Army. On behalf of Metro Regional Stores Group Incorporated, we would like to express our sincerest gratitude that once again you have extended the ever-improving facilities of the Reserve Command to our company and the BISOC participants for this year. We fervently hope to be given the same opportunity in the next classes of BISOC in the years to come. Once again, thank you for all the assistance, supervision, guidance, all throughout the course that made this humble endeavor of developing our security ranks not just a success, but an experience to be cherished by each of the participants. I would also like to extend my sincerest gratitude to the ever-reliable training officer of Metro Retail Stores Group, Sir Mark Rodriguez. Thank you, sir. Mark Rodriguez from TV. Follow, like, and share. Page ni Sir Mark. Siya yung ano, sir, yung videographer ng mga operations ni General Awad sa Bansulo. And the valuable effort and support of the support staff, Mr. Eduardo Osmeña Jr. and Martin Calvin, for standing by all the details of the execution of this training. The success of your efforts will never ever go unnoticed. To the graduates, my fellow BISOC graduates, fellow BISOC, I don't know, pero alam niyo ba na dinaanan din namin yan. Last number po kami. Number 2. Sa Lucena. Buti kayo, hindi ko ngayon sa camp. Kami nun sa store. Okay, anong number ka ba? 6. Kumari. So, welcome to the club. thank you first. Thank you for choosing and volunteering to be a part of this BSOC 23-24 and having responded to and taking action to the call of career and personal development. Your mere signifying to participate in this course is a manifestation of your eagerness to better serve not just Mrs. G and your respective security agencies, but the whole of security industry and the nation as well. Congratulations for hurdling this 5-day training course. More than the practical knowledge and skills that you have acquired, the relatively unique experience brought about by the regimental environment of one of the finest military training camp in the country is truly something to add on your bag of arsenal as we go traversing our day-to-day operations. Our special awardees, to the top one of the class, University Irish, congratulations. Outstanding display of academic excellence. Mrs. G expects that more than knowing, you can better apply and put into good and optimal use the knowledge and, more importantly, the principles of all the subjects added in this course. To our leadership awardee, Lauren, your award is a testament that leadership has nothing to do with rank. Leadership is a matter of choice. To look after the person to the right, look after the person to the left. Leadership is that awesome responsibility to see around everyone rise to whatever their vision and dreams are. To our top gun, James Berber, sa lahat ng natutunan dito, yung skill mo yung sana hindi natin magamit. But anyway, may kasabihan tayo, it's better to be a warrior in the garden than a gardener in the war. So, tago lang natin yan. But, hopefully, yung skill na yan, ano yan, basic proficiency natin as the security, members of the security force. Okay? Once again, to the men and women of Rescom, our heartfelt and deepest gratitude for accommodating this training. To the members of Unified Forces Security Agency and SASCO Security Agency, and Mrs. G, who have successfully put all this together, thank you and congratulations for a job well done. To the graduating members of Siklab Hiwa BSOC 23-24, congratulations. Mrs. G is anticipating a better equipped security force upon return. Remember, we protect, we care.
With that, thank you so much.
As your training director, maraming salamat pala sa user, sa lahat ng support nyo. Salamat sa inyo, sir. Palaging nandito sa amin hanggang alas 9, Sir Pidakan at saka sir. Okay, I formally close the training.